Hello, children. Today we are going to start with the next topic from your English grammar articles. Now, what are articles? Articles are words which are used to point out or refer a noun. Now, articles can be classified as indefinite articles or definite articles. Now, what are definite articles? Well, they are used to tell us about some specific person, place, or thing, and we use the. In indefinite articles, they are used to tell us about something in general. They are not pointing out at any specific person, place, or a thing. And what do we use? We use article a or an.
And in this video, we are going to learn about indefinite articles.
Now let us first read a few sentences. I saw a cow. This is an elephant. He is a doctor. That is an apple. Now children, did you notice there are some words in this which have the word a before them, and there are some words which have an before them. Do you know why? Well, let's find out. Now there are 26 letters in English alphabets, and out of these, the 5 letters A, E, I, O, U, these are called vowels. Now when a word starts with a vowel or with a vowel sound, we use an before such words. Now for example, what do we see here? Yes, that's an engine. Now the word engine starts with the vowel E and which has a vowel sound E. So we use article an before it and we say an engine. Let us take another example. This is dash orange tree. Now here the word orange starts with a vowel sound o. So we use article an before it and we'll say this is an orange tree. Let us take another example.
There is dash egg on your plate.
And the word egg starts with the vowel sound e. So we say there is an egg on your plate. So we use article an before it. Oh wow, I love ice creams. Do you? Well, Jack loves to eat dash ice cream. Now here the word ice cream starts with the vowel I and has a vowel sound E. So which article we are going to use? We will use an and we'll say Jack loves to eat an ice cream. Now children, the remaining alphabets of the English letter other than the vowels A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. Now when a word starts with a consonant or a consonant sound, we use a before such words. Now let us take an example. This is a ball. Now the word ball starts with the consonant sound b. So we are going to use article a before it and we'll say a ball. Let us take another example. I saw dash dog near my house. Now here the word dog begins with a consonant sound d. So we're going to use article a and we're going to say I saw a dog near my house. He went to Delhi in dash bus. Now here the word bus begins with the consonant sound b. So we're going to use article a and we're going to say he went to Delhi in a bus. Geeta made dash cake. Now here the word cake begins with the consonant sound k. So we're going to use article A. And we say Geeta made a cake. Now children, there are certain exceptions to the A or an rule. Sometimes a word may begin with a consonant, but we use the word an before it. Like words that begin with consonant H have a vowel sound, or the H is silent. Then we use an before such words. For example, in the word hour, the H is silent and it begins with the vowel sound A. So we used an before such words. However, the word hat also begins with consonant H, but here the H is sounded as H. So it has a consonant sound. So we use a before hat and we say a hat. The children, we use this rule for some other words as well. For example, words which begin with vowel U but have a consonant sound Y. For example, the word unicorn. It begins with the vowel U but it has a consonant sound Y. Year. So we use article a before it and we say a unicorn. However, the word umbrella. It begins with the vowel U but it has a vowel sound. So we use article an before it and we'll say an umbrella. Now children, we need to remember the use of a or an depends on the opening sound of the word, not on the actual letter with which it begins. So now let us solve this worksheet. We'll fill up the blanks with a or an as required. The first sentence, I saw an old man near my house. Now we use article an before old because old begins with vowel sound A. Let us read the second one. I have bought dash new pair of jeans. Now here new begins with a consonant sound. So we use a before it and we would say I have bought a new pair of jeans. Kamla is dash good girl. Now here the word good begins with the consonant sound. So we would use article a before it and we will say Kamla is a good girl. She carries dash ink pot to school. Now here the word ink pot begins with a vowel E. So we would use article an before it and we would say she carries an ink pot to school. Now let us quickly revise. Articles. A and an are called articles. A and an are used before nouns that are singular in number. The use of a or an depends on the opening sound of the word, not on the actual letter with which it begins. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. We use a before word that begins with a consonant. Thank you, children. Hope the concept of articles is clear to you all.